This is my General Electric F15W13. This is the 3-speed electrically reversible model. 3-speed switch, starts out on low, then the in and out reversing switch. This one is in really good condition, as you can see. It could use a little bit of a cleaning inside, but really that's no big deal. It's in very good shape. These were built so well. I personally think these are the best built box fans ever. Let me pick it up and turn it around. This thing is extremely heavy, by the way. Definitely get a workout moving this thing around. Here's the motor. It is the big General Electric unibearing motor. On this fan, I have not taken the motor apart yet. I just oiled it from the front, and that seemed to work just fine. Has a very long spin down time. And these motors are huge. This is a 3 amp motor. Shaded pull, of course. You'll notice those fins in the blade hub. That's to pull air through the motor. Very nice design. Again, this fan has a 3 amp motor. We're going to be testing the amperage. Plug has seen better days. It's kind of broken. Okay, I'm about ready to start it up. I'm going to start on high and show you how many amps this thing pulls to get up to speed. It's quite impressive. Almost 5 amps. Medium. And low. It's not up to its full operating temperature yet, so it's going to spin a little bit slower and pull more amps. But once it gets up to temperature, the amp draw would be a little bit lower because it'll spin freer. Alright. Now I will show the fan starting up. I actually have the camera pointed at it rather than pointing it at the kilowatt meter. The volume of air this fan moves is insane. Alright, let's start up on high. blades on these fans are very quiet. And even though it's not up to its operating speed, it's still blowing a lot of air. I have I guess a beige or white version of this fan, and it gets up to speed a lot faster than this one does. And I'll turn it off. Watch it spin down. I'll turn it around while it's spinning down so we can, actually I'm just going to pause the camera and turn it around. You get the point. And now we can run it in reverse. Alright, we'll start off on high again. Oops. Alright, I'm going to turn it around again and we'll do some startup sounds. Okay, here's high. Here's medium. Alright, and here's low. I got pretty lucky with this one because it's balanced really well. So that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching.